Hello students, my name is Alankrita and today here in this video we are going to discuss the third chapter of 7th class science subject and it is fiber to fabric. The topic we will cover in this are classification of fiber and processing fiber into wool. Now let's start. We have studied in 6th class that how fiber is converted into fabric and classification of fiber. So here it is given fiber is first converted into yarn by spinning process and then by the process of knitting or weaving it is converted into fabric. Now in the flow chart it is shown that fiber can be classified into natural and synthetic fiber or man-made fiber. Natural fiber are obtained from plants or animal. Cotton and flax are the example of plant fiber. Wool and silk are the example of animal fiber. Nylon, polyester, polyethylene, polypropylene, rayon are the examples of man-made fiber. In the previous class, we have studied about plant fiber in detail, that is about jute and cotton. Now, in this chapter, we will study about animal fiber in detail, that is about wool and silk. So, let's start with wool. Wool comes from sheep, goat, yak, and some other animals. Here we can see in the pictures. These wool-yielding animals bear hair on their body. Now, why these animals have thick coat of hair? It is because these hair trap a lot of air and we know that air is a poor conductor of heat. So, hair keeps these animals warm. Wool is derived from these hairy fibers, which is also called as fleece. Now, sheep are reared in many parts of our country for wool. In this table, some breeds of sheep reared in our country for producing wool is given and the quality and texture of the fiber obtained from these sheep is also indicated in this table. Like Lohi is a breed of sheep found in Rajasthan and Punjab and it produces good quality of wool. Now we will study about how these fiber processed into wool. Let's move ahead. These are the steps by which fibers are processed into wool. In the first step, fleece is removed from the body of sheep. This process is done by machine. So, we can say that the process of removing fleece from the body of sheep is called as shearing. Shearing process is generally done during summer season. This process does not harm sheep because upper thin layer of sheep is dead. And also hair grow just as our hair does. In the second step, the sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dirt and dirt. This is called as scoring. Nowadays, scoring is done by machines. In the third step, sorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to the factory where hair of different texture and quality are separated or we can say sorted. In the fourth step, the small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. These are the same burrs which sometimes appear on the sweater. These fibers are scored again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. In the fifth step, the fibers can be dyed in various colors as the natural color of sheep and goat is black, brown and white. But we observe that we wear sweaters of different color. It is because of this step only. Now in the last step, the fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into clothes. In the next slide, we will simply summarize these steps. So here, let's conclude the process. Shearing, removal of fleece, then scoring, washing fleece, then sorting, separating fleece according to their quality. After that, burr is removed. Fibers are then dyed in various colors. At last, it is rolled into yarn. So, this is the process of making yarn from wool fiber. In the next video, we will discuss about silk fiber in detail. Thank you for watching.